Hi guys, this is Leo, the new member of the family. Say hi, Leo. Leo is the naughty one. See? They said Leo loves to eat, jumping. He's very energetic. This is the brother Noah, Snowy. Hi, Leo. How are you, Leo? Say hi. He's very nice, guys. Honestly, this is the first time that I meet Leo here, and it's good. But naughty. And this is my love, Snowy. How are you, my love? Are you okay? Huh? Are you okay, Snowy? And this is Leo. They are two now, guys. I hope they will be good to each other and not fighting each other. Because Leo is very naughty boy. And Snowy is very sweet girl. No. See, guys. What he's thinking. What are you thinking, Leo? Huh? Wow, that's so cute. Well, you play both of you, okay? I will leave you guys and I will go for my work. So see you later. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Bye-bye. This is Leo, the naughty one.